In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a loan online with PNC Bank. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can get the financial support you need with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the PNC Bank website by typing in www.pnc.com. This is where you'll find everything you need to start your loan application journey. Once you're on the home page, make your way to the top menu. There you'll see the option labeled Borrow. Click on it and you'll be presented with various loan types you can choose from. Whether you're interested in a personal loan, auto loan, mortgage or home loan, home equity line of credit, or even refinancing a student loan, you'll find the option here. Once you've decided on the type of loan you want, click on Apply Online to begin. After selecting your loan type, you might encounter a step where you're asked to check your rate first. Don't worry, this is usually a soft check and should not affect your credit score. It's just a preliminary step to get an idea of what rate you might qualify for. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of the application. You'll need to enter all the necessary personal information such as your full name, address, phone number, and email. It's important to also provide your date of birth and social security number, which are crucial for identity verification. Additionally, be prepared to input details about your employment and income as well as monthly expenses like rent or mortgage payments. Once you've entered all the information, it's time to review your application. Double check to make sure everything is accurate and complete, as any incorrect details could slow down the approval process. When you're confident everything is correct, go ahead and click Submit. After submitting your application, PNC might process it immediately and offer instant approval. However, they could also request further documentation, such as pay stubs or bank statements to verify your financial status. Keep an eye out for any additional requests and provide them promptly to avoid delays. Finally, you'll receive a notification about PNC's decision via email or through your PNC online banking account. If your application is approved, you can expect the loan money to be deposited directly into your PNC account. Alternatively, for specific loan types like an auto loan, the funds might be sent directly to a lender. And there you have it. That's how you apply for a loan at PNC Bank online. Following these steps will help you navigate the process smoothly and secure the funding you need. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.